buying anything.
Right.
Okay, let's go, Waddle.
Full on pistol round tayo. Full on pistol round.
Waddle,
Yeah.
what happened to you? Move, Waddle. Ba't yung walang baril? Ba't yung walang baril?
Yeah, they might be cooked.
I'm so cooked, gang.
Hindi, press
Man.
press ka ng any numpad key. Meron ka ng automatic na baril dapat.
I think press 2.
Yeah, press 2. Meron ka ng
Press
dapat
2.
like parang...
dapat may pistol ka, by default.
I saw a silhouette. Oh shit!
Nice one.
Oh, what the hell?
What the heck? What the hell?
Oh. Waddle, please know how to fire a gun.
Oh.
Oh, shit.
What button do you press?
Oh my god.
This game is so easy.
Let's go!
I get it now.
Wow, it gave me 1,000 pesos for losing.
Try me slash vote kick. It's a slash vote kick kita.
Hey, no, calm down. Don't do it.
Stop. Just calm down.
Don't do it.
Buy ba ako? I think I don't wanna buy. Kaso nga at the same time, I want...
I don't wanna.
Wag na.
Bibili ako ng primary.
Tingin ko nga dapat minga tayo kagad bumili ng primary sa second round eh. Ganun strategy sa mga ganitong game eh.
I don't care. I don't play CSGO. I don't know the meta.
How do you throw a grenade?
So meron siyang
Bad.
grenade. Charlie, watch out. Meron siyang grenade.
I don't know how to fire a grenade.
Stupid
That's
ass.
nice. That's good.
Stupid ass.
Tong ina, ikaw pala yan. Putang ina mo.
My bad.
Oh shit! Shit,
Alright.
I'm dead. namatay na siya, no?
Nope.
Come on, Waddle.
Waddle,
Come on,
if you
Waddle.
clutch this up, you get goated status.
Oh!
Clutch this up, you get goated status.
Run, Waddle, run like hell, gang, run like hell.
Hey, come back here.
Shit.
Oh, good.
Oh. Okay, wait lang.
Yeah,
Just gotta
he's
make sure
already
napatay na siya. I gotta make sure napatay na siya.
Gotta make sure.
Okay, wait lang. One more mag. Ow.
One more mag. Gotta add one more mag.
I had to make sure.
That's true.
Right,
Full buy ako, Charlie. Full buy ako. Full armor. Full everything.
Gotta buy sneakers.
What
Is this
a
the
worth
meta?
it buy.
Is this the meta? Is this the meta?
What a worth it buy, yo. What a
I
worth
spent
it
for
buy.
$50 in this.
Wait, hindi na makabili ng ano? Hindi ko keep yung primary ko. Shit.
Eh?
Oh,
Hindi
this
keep.
man. It's just like CSGO.
It's not.
Oh shit. Oh my god. Who was
Just
that
go,
man?
but bad. Is he being sneaky?
Are you serious? You did not hit me once, yo.
Is he being sneaky?
Ah, shit! Napatay ni Wad. Yes!
Damn.
Guys, is he being sneaky?
I don't think he is.
Was he being sneaky, chat? I don't think he was.
What's this? Talent?
What
May gagawin nga ako nakakatawa. Charlie, bili ka ng respirator.
What do you mean?
Shit, pala. I did not buy
What do
that.
you mean by this? What did he mean by this?
I don't think since teammate tayo, I don't think I'm apektado ako.
Charlie, bumili nga ako ng respirator. I will be
I did
affected by
not. You were like a little late.
Who the fuck died?
Si Alexi.
Nobody.
Si Blowjob
Nobody
Bendy. Si Agin.
Nobody
Si
died.
Regin. Si Blowjob
Still
Bendy.
interesting. Ba't sa isang pat ka lang nadaan, Alexi? You're gonna be
Ang
predicted.
ina, is he stupid?
It's a work in progress.
It's a work in progress. Okay, I trust it. Chad, is he being sneaky?
Flashbang!
Ow!
Oh!
Rocky, that clutch this up.
Oh shit! How can I clutch this up? Am I gonna clutch this up?
Come on, come on. Come on, Waddle. Win for me. Is
Win
he
for
sneaking
daddy.
around? This man is sneaking around. This man is trying to touch.
Oh my god! Yeah, nice one! What a clutch! What a clutch!
Let's go!
You liberal.
What
You
a
liberal.
clutch!
What does that mean? What do you mean what a liberal?
Okay,
What is that
liberal.
mean?
Okay, liberal.
I got you there. What a liberal.
Ibibili ako respirator.
Actually, wala na ako nun. I'm
Shit.
still just to buy that shit.
You know what? I'm still gonna buy a respirator.
May respirator pa rin nga ako eh. I think I get it. Basta hindi siya damage, I think keep mo pa rin.
We're gonna
Ah,
die. We're gonna die.
you sure?
Okay, I bought the wrong thing. I bought the wrong thing, yo.
Oh,
I'm so cooked. I'm so cooked.
I do not trust. Okay. Shit, tol.
Hindi
Oh,
ko rin
you might
namatay
get the
doon.
face point.
Ay,
Ay, may
namatay ka.
namatay ko rin sa Alexi
Yes!
doon.
Yes!
Slash, hook, kick, waddle.
What kick mo? Wait lang.
Hell no, hell no, hell no. Hell no.
Joke lang. I'm Josh. I'm just Josh.
Waddle, what the fuck are you doing? Waddle, what the
Oh my
Oh,
gosh,
one
Tito.
shot lang siya, one shot lang siya. Shit, it's a lever action na one shot. Oh!
Damn! What a clutch! Holy shit, what a clutch!
No,
Hindi kasi ako nakabili ng barrel. Hindi ako nakabili ng Prime Harry.
lever action siya na isang bala lang. Tangina.
What a
Damn.
clutch!
Damn. What is this? What's this?
Change map. The change of scenery.
Alright, I'm
Tol,
buying
what a
this.
clutch! What a clutch!
I'm
What
buying
a
this shit.
clutch, sir. What a clutch. What a clutch.
What a clutch!
Completing objectives.
So 5 wins. 5 wins. Yo, let's go, Wad.
Okay,
Let's go, Wad.
Oh
I
no.
lose.
Charlie? Oh no, I'm still gonna lose.
No, absolutely no trust in this man. No trust. Oh, nice. Nice.
Dude, when you like, just got here.
Oh shit.
That's smart.
Go Wad.
We
Wad.
like
Nice
just got
one.
here, yo. We like just got
Nice
here.
one, Wad.
Okay? Okay? Oh shit,
Okay,
napatay ko ba rin si
okay.
Waddle doon? Damn.
Quite frankly, I don't want. Fuck. Ano?
Alright, I'm back.
I
Oh,
carried.
Oh shit.
Alright.
He did in fact carry.
Tangin na,
He did in fact
nag-solo,
carry.
sinolo ko na lang walang yaka, Alexi.
May inutusan sa akin. May inutusan sa
Fuck
akin.
off, fuck off.
I'm gonna buy
Okay, I
it.
understand it how this thing works now.
I understand
Wow,
it now. I understand
Wow.
it now.
Wow, I can now read.
Magpo-full buy ako since wala naman may keep na pera. Full buy.
I don't have a right click. I do not care.
Wait lang, flashbang. Fuck, tangina. Tana, flashbang dyan.
Shit. Kinapatay ko si Clark. Alexi, I swear to God, papatayin kita kung... Papatayin kita.
Why are they so pressed?
Can you like fucking look? Oh. Alexi, I swear to God.
Come
I'm
on.
legit hard carrying this man. It would
I'm going
not
in
hurt
circle.
looking right behind you from time to time.
Wow, masyado putang ina.
I'm gonna murder this man, I swear to God.
Where did he go? Where did this man blood go?
Masyado putang ina. Let's go, Wad.
I'm gonna fucking kill you! Alexi, can you just leave the server? Can you just leave the server? Can you just leave the server?
Let's go.
Fuck this game.
No, fuck
Go, Wad.
you!
Let's go.
Bro is crashing out. Damn.
I mean, to
Fuck
be fair,
you.
it's a very warranted crash out. You fucked it up, yo. You fucked it up.
Tangina ko pa yung may takot sa akin. I should be the one scared of you.
Oh shit.
Tangina. Okay, that's on me. That's on me.
Oh no. I'm so dead.
Can you laugh?
Fuck me, fuck me, fuck me.
This shit a lost cause, not gonna lie.
Fuck!
Nice one.
Tangina, low-key, I was doing better na wala si Alexi. No offense.
Oh shit. Payag ka nun, tol. Gaganon ka nun. Payag ka nun, tol.
I feel more retarded when I'm playing with you guys.
Shut up.
I feel like I do. I'm better when I'm not.
Coco, man.
Come on. Come on, blood. Yes, yes, Waddle, yes.
Yeah. Poland D. Chill out. Chill the fuck out. Fuck!
Shit. Tangina. Sarang bullet. Let's go, Wad. Let's go, Wad.
Man, I'm so done, yo.
Oh, God.
Alexi, your life is
Okay.
nothing. You serve zero purpose. You should kill yourself now.
Ayan ba yun? Ayan ba yung 42 suppressed, Waddle? Is that it?
What should be?
Incredible.
Damn, I might use that shit, Loki. I might use that shit when I have money. 2 shots.
I
Oh.
hate you.
I hate
Charlie's
you.
legit crashing out. Charlie's legit crashing out, yo.
Useless ass. I swear to God. Oh, wait, ang lalag or what? Shit, ma.
Are you dead? Oh my god,
Yeah.
you're dead.
Touch up.
What? Hindi pa? What?
What do you mean no one is victorious?
What the fuck do you mean by that? Ay, what?
Namatay tayong
Nagtay ba
dalawa.
tayo?
Namatay tayong dalawa.
Ano nangyari sa akin? Ano nangyari sa akin?
Namatay ka.
Paano
Clearly.
namatay?
Your HP went below 0.
Fuck, shut the fuck up.
Damn.
Shut up.
What the fuck?
Gonna
is
rip
that?
out your guts when I get to you.
He is not playing around.
It's that ding sound.
Wow.
Do not die. Are you dead or you're not dead?
No.
Okay, thank you.
Oh shit, ang nakita ako dun.
Fuck you.
Come on.
Fuck you.
Oh fuck. Fuck.
He's
He's dead.
crashing
Tol!
out.
Tol, siya yan! Nice one.
Oh, you
Help!
Wait lang, I'm sorry, Wad. I'm low-key throwing. Wait lang. I have to lock in, Wad. My bad, yo.
Man. This cannot be good for my health.
That gun was goated. Oh shit, I don't have enough money. Oh wait, no, I have it. Do I have the gun? I don't know if I have the gun.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Ayoko sa map ito. Tangina talaga ng map na ito. Masyadong... This shit
Masyadong-
is
It's too small.
It is too small.
Chill out. Nobody's there, yo. What the fuck?
Whoops. Whoop.
Nice.
Oh, you're dead. Oh shit.
It's your turn to return the favor type shit.
Wait, tangina.
Nice one.
I should not have pushed. Isa siya, nandun lang siya, Wad.
Wow.
Wow, this man.
I'm giving
What
call
a
outs.
tip.
Hindi nyo ba napapansin na ano?
You're dead, shut up.
He's over
Hey,
there.
Man should
He's
not
over there,
speak.
man.
A dead man should not speak.
Shoot the wicket. Shoot the wicket.
Oh,
I can do this.
Oh! Wait! What the fuck?
Shut the fuck up.
Wait! Damn, what?
no one tap ako. I should not have went out, yo. Damn.
I'm quitting kung teaming ko na naman si Alexi.
That was crazy. Yes, go, let's go, Charlie. Let's go.
Oh
Oh,
no, I'm
thank God.
with Bottle. I'm with Bottle.
Thank God. Thank God.
Oh my God. Wow, I can actually... Wait, this game, I can't be screaming at the top of my lungs.
Plan to use bin download the enemy's data from on-site terminals. Okay, so yung pala kailangan natin gawin.
My objective?
Apart from killing them all.
Objective.
Maybe. I think they're shooting at us.
Did he die? No, he did not.
At least one of them is fucking low, yo.
God.
Definitely low.
Again.
Napatay ako ni BJ Ben.
Fuck.
Ah, you're actually doing things.
Nice.
Was doing
No.
things.
They're both extremely low.
Oh no, I'm dead.
I can see that.
Bottle, you have one. Oh no.
Oh God, with one bullet.
One bullet.
What on side?
Hi, sir. Ah,
No!
shit.
Nice.
You know what?
Nice.
You know what?
Nice.
Y'all need a
praised
win
you.
badly. Y'all needed a win badly.
They needed it. Alexi needed the win. Alexi needed the win, Loki. Alexi needed it.
Loki.
I'm not gonna buy anything yet. I'm gonna be an Arab
Oh shit.
prince.
Winsies.
Such a goated gun. This is such a goated gun.
Winsies.
I'm gonna be an Arab prince and buy that one.
Fuck. I'm gonna get a Nigerian prince on your ass to scam you.
Hey.
Am I even recording? Oh yeah, I'm recording.
I'm gonna cut. Should I cut? Wait lang. Cut. Hindi ko cut out yung crash out ko kay Alexi. And that's funny as well.
Don't cut na sila. Don't cut na sila.
Reasonable.
Oh, nandun sila.
I can see that. Oh shit.
What a shot!
Charlie.
Okay, we're just here.
Andito sila.
Where could they be? Oh,
I cannot get a solid
Wow.
shot on it. I cannot get a solid shot on this man for my life.
of course, bro locks in na di na ko kakampi. You actually kill yourself.
I'm just a good shot.
If you're gonna lock in na di mo na ako kakampi, papating kita kung kaklaso ko ikaw.
He's got
Osmuro go, man.
Should I buy this? I'm gonna buy this one.
Charlie, may try nga, Charlie.
Sige.
We need to plant. We actually need to plant kasi
I don't think that's very planned.
Kasi wala tayong money. We have no money.
I mean, we get money from losing.
We get money for planting and for killing them.
Ah. Wala.
Are these motherfuckers planning, yo? Oh shit! No!
Nice one.
Gotta lock in. I have to lock in.
Type siya.
Plant Charlie.
Oh shit.
Nandun siya. Kung saan ako namatay. Type siya.
No. Run.
Check sa sides mo.
Wad's not a pussy. Don't tell him to run. Wad's a pussy.
Type siya.
Check your sides, gang. If That's a grenade!
Damn, nice one! Diyos ko po na niya.
He called that grenade.
Damn.
He called that grenade as well. But
Damn.
Diyos ko po na niya.
I was
I
too
gotta
goated.
give bro that. I gotta give bro that.
I was not fast enough. Yeah.
Yeah, we can see that. Why am I talking shit? Bro's Loki are carrying me.
Hindi, actually, Loki, pantay silang dalawa. I gotta respect it. I gotta respect it.
The fuck is bro, lock in na di na ako kakampi.
That's actually fucked up.
He's Loki trying to feed his delusions. He's Loki trying to feed his delusions that I suck.
I heard a grenade.
No, you don't.
So I
No, you
did.
didn't. No, you didn't.
No, you don't. Loki eliciting, you're just fucking insane.
Mag-plant ako, Charlie. I'm gonna try to plant. I'm gonna try to plant.
You
Okay.
have to find that. Waddle, you have to find where they're
Webby
planting
wobble.
the bomb. Webby wobble.
Webby wobble.
Okay,
Webby
planted,
wobble.
planted,
Oh shit!
planted,
Oh
planted.
shit! Oh shit!
Wobby wobble.
Oh shit!
Roll.
Okay. Oh fuck!
Nice one.
I'm
Roll,
too
roll.
goated. I'm too goated at
Damn, Daniel.
I'm too goated.
I think Waddle is not agreeing with this.
He said no.
I think
He said
Waddle is
no.
not agreeing.
He
I think-
said
I
no.
think
I mean,
Waddle
like,
does
sure.
not agree.
What if I buy this instead?
I'm strapped for cash, yo. We should lock in. Are you not doing that? Are you stupid?
How do you use a grenade, yo?
Geeked out ba kayo?
Tab. Charlie,
Have like totally accurate battlegrounds?
Charlie, can you plant? Can you plant?
Okay. Hey.
Fuck! Hindi nag-reload! Ano ba yan?
I knew you would go here. I knew you would go here. It's psychology.
What a prediction.
It's psychology, honestly.
I think this is what we call bot. I think this is how a bot plays.
Oh,
Damn.
I'm goated.
He's coded like that. He's coded.
I'm goated. Damn.
Okay, hold on. Yeah, you're right. Hold on, give me a second.
I just seen yung upuan niya. Shit, we're gonna die, yo.
Shit.
We're gonna kill. We're gonna.
Okay, I gotta sit upright for this one.
Okay, I gotta go gamer mode for this one.
No more Mr. Nice Guy.
We winning, yo. We winning. Oh shit. Damn. Why is Wad sad? I don't want Wad to be sad. Give him the win. Give Wad the win. I don't want Wad to be sad.
I'll think about it.
Shit.
Loki, imagine. Sayang.
Look, imagine. Oh, tumino!
Oh shit!
Tumino! Nice one.
Damn, sayang! No 1-1.
Oh,
I almost clutched it up.
you almost catched it up. I should not have used that grenade. Dapat nag-ano ako,
Yeah.
flashbang.
Ah, shit.
Should have just used a flashbang.
Just go put it.
Symptoms of sorrow and pain. I love.
Oh man. Oh man, me when I find a creeper? Oh man.
Shut the fuck up. Me when I find a creeper in the game of Minecraft.
Oh. Malapit sila dun sa may plant.
Planted.
Okay. Dun sa may tower thing, malapit-lapit sila dun.
Okay.
So you're over there. That's a grenade.
It's not.
Flashbang. Oh! That was goaded.
Damn! Goated! That's goated!
That's goaded.
That's actually so goated!
That's so goaded. Pwede na ba ako mag-rainbow?
What can't help but compliment your goated play.
Did not leave man blood standing on that.
Pwede na ba ako mag-rainbow six siege dahil dito?
Dude, don't go there.
Don't go there. Alright, I'm not gonna go there. I'm not gonna go.
It's not worth it.
It's not worth it. Don't lose yourself, friend.
Time shit.
I'm gonna have
So like, di ko lang nakikita mo, pero yung parang yung laser thing ko, it's brown. Like my aura.
That is ass. That is so ass.
That's the point.
Try to stay tight.
Stay low, stay frosty.
Kita ko sila, tinawa. Oh my god! They don't know where we are, they don't know.
Does he know?
They are oblivious. Wait.
Does he know?
I smell you.
You know you don't.
That's just you.
You know, the nose is
Bo smells something stinky. That's you.
You know, the nose is awfully close to the mouth. Malapit na talaga malapit talaga sa mabog.
Lapit na
Hindi mo
to.
sabihin sa mouth.
Fuck. Reload fire. Fuck!
Oh,
good shot, mate. Good shot, mate. Kaya ka na mission na potato.
Good shot, mate.
Good shot, mate.
Alright, yeah,